welcome back to our PNW Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brad.
And today we are coming at you from London town.
We are.
We got in yesterday on the Eurostar train from Brussels. We got in the Eurostar train from Brussels. Brussels was super fun. It was an interesting place, that's for sure.
Interesting, but beautiful. Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. It was so pretty. And
the food.
Waffles.
Yeah.
Oh, the waffles.
And the Belgian beers, of course. So. Oh,
yeah.
That was so good.
So good. But today we're going to hit up the Natural History Museum. So we're about to catch an Uber, head down there, try to get to Buckingham Palace today, go see Harrods, and some other sites around London.
Yeah.
So
let's go.
Let's go.
Kids, there's Big Ben and there's Parliament.
So many times. Now it's our turn.
The next day.
This is the most complete Stegosaurus.
New environment that eventually evolved.
Hey, we've been there. About the only ones around that's been on top of that. Yeah, that was all about earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, and everything. Yeah, we already know. We know all about all this stuff.
Right. Growing up with it in our backyard.
Yeah. Now we're at Buckingham Palace. So,
Yeah.
there it is. It's big. Good morning. It's a new day. I think our last day in London. Yeah, we'll go to Scotland tomorrow. Going to the Tower of London and Tower Bridge, a bunch of other stuff. So let's go. So far, Tower of London, pretty awesome.
Awesome. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We're just going
I love
on the
that you could
whole
just-
exterior right now.
Wander around and not have to like be with a guy, so you can kind of go at your own pace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's enough to read and everything and get the lowdown on history and everything.
Yeah, it's kind of expensive for a ticket, but it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
It was like 30.
Only scratched the outer
upper part.
The outer crust. And now we're going into the White Tower. White Tower. That's it from the Tower of London. Next up is Tower Bridge.
It took 8 years and £1 million to build the bridge.
We're back home.
Yeah.
We're staying in Camden Market area, and you cannot stay in Camden Market area without going to the market area.
I thought it was the red one in Germany, or I mean in France.
We're sticky. We're disgusting. It's been a day. It's been 4 days.
It's been an awesome day today, seeing the Tower of London and London Bridge and being able to go up into the bridge and walk up and go over the top and walk on the glass panels. Cool experience for sure.
And then off to Camden Town and Camden Market area, all around there. And then
lots of fun little pubs and stuff that we checked out too, and eateries, because this area we stayed in is really nice.
Yeah,
so,
lots of pubs.
Very walkable.
Lots of pubs.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, but London was fun. Definitely not enough time to see everything that we wanted to see at all.
But we're exhausted.
100% exhausted.
Yeah.
I think we are officially at 100 miles walked so far in 15 days.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yep. International videos keep on coming. 2 more. Scotland, Ireland.
We got 8 days left on this amazing trip.
Yeah.
It's been a crazy, fun, wonderful experience for sure. But thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. Ramble, ramble, ramble.
Bye. See you later, dude.
Ramble, ramble, ramble.
She's holding up that whole thing. Look at that. Look at it, Logan. Look at it. She's so strong.